Just took the Harley rake and prepped in between the piles. All right, let's get this going here. We can't wait any longer. We got to dig a pool Monday. I'm not gonna wait on rain. right, all raked out. Go reverse in the Harley rake. Covers your tracks on the skid steer for the most part. I go both ways and then finalize it in reverse. And then you just got the tire tracks, rake them out. Looking good, everything's pitching to our swale. 2 loads down, 6 to go. All right, there's that. There's a million different ways to do it, but my way is to first prep it with the Harley rake, knock as many rocks out as you can. Install it with the bucket, just flatten it out. It's real hard to install this topsoil with the bucket. Grade it out 4 to 6 inches and then hit it with the Harley rake where you want it, and it will push perfectly as so. Can't wait for the rain. Huge thunderstorms tonight, but we got too much work to be waiting for rain, I'll tell you that. This side all raked out. I'm getting her done. A lot of work for one man and a machine. No Miko today. All right, things are dried out. It's Sunday. I'm gonna get this puzzle put back together. All right, like I said, it's Sunday. Just taking advantage of this time of weather because of the pandemic. We gotta catch up. Got rain tomorrow, so we had to get this in Sunday. But yeah, I got 3 or 2.5 piles left. Hopefully that's enough. We gotta still get it down in that semicircle horseshoe driveway. Let's get rocking. stuff spreads very difficult. You gotta kind of let it just go whoosh, fly it out. Then you let the Harley rake do its job. All right, quick charge on the GoPro. We're getting her. Got the last pile flattened out. We just made it with topsoil. Perfect calculations. Gonna hit it with the Harley rake. Again, you just throw it in with the bucket. Let the Harley rake do the work, but get it somewhat close because this stuff doesn't spread. It's rock hard. It's, you know, it's compacts. I shouldn't say rock hard, but it compacts. It's almost like a Play-Doh, so you can't rake it. We did it for years raking it, but you're gonna rake your butt off. The Harley rake's where it's at. Just put your wheels to the ground first and then watch your barrel. All right, there it is, ladies and gents. Remember in the fall I put this driveway in, and now we just did that circular horseshoe driveway, semicircle, installed the lawn. Go back in the videos if you haven't seen this project from the start, which is, I think 3 or 4 videos. But the lawn is all installed and everything is good. It's looking nice down on that trench. The swale, we put the stone in, everything's gonna work out. Nice little rock wall going there to retain the stone. All the pictures are perfect. Got hydro seed coming Thursday. Nice and nice. All right, guys, take care.